Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher Divine. Can you please put your hands together and say good morning, Teacher Divine? Good morning to all of you kids. So how are you today? Say, I am happy. See, Teacher Divine is happy too. So, what day is today? You're right. Today is Tuesday. And Tuesday is color. Do you remember what color is Tuesday? Yes, you're right. It's color pink. Tuesday is color pink. Okay, can you say it one more time? Today is Tuesday. And Tuesday is color pink. Very good. That's right. So today's lesson, we are going to review the past lesson. And then we are going to learn the new lesson, which is the farm animals. And then we will do the listening and speaking vocabulary. Okay, kids? Okay. But before that, we will sing the song first. So I want to hear your voices loud and clear. So are you ready? Say yes, we are. Okay, let's sing together. Let's go!
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Neigh! Moo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Let's try it a little faster. The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. Okay, a little faster. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba. Oink, meh, ba. Okay, super fast. The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh, moo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh, moo, cock-a-doodle-doo.
Farm animals, names and sounds. So are you ready, kids? Okay, let's get started. So kids, are you ready to learn about farm animals? Okay, let's start. So first, we have, what do you see here? Yes, it's a cow. Say cow. Very good. Cow give us milk, okay? That's why we can drink milk because of the cow. They produce milk. Say cow. Cow. Very good. And now, let's listen to the sound of the cow. do you see? Yes, this is a horse. Say horse. Say horse. That's great. The horse can run so fast. Yes. And right now, let's listen the sound of the horse. What do you see now? Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a goat. Say goat. This is a goat. We can see the goat in the farm. Yes, say goat. That's great. And now let's listen the sound of the goat. What do you see? I know you know it. What is this? Yes, excellent. This is a pig. Very good. Say pig. Pig. That's great. Let's listen the sound of the pig. The next one. For sure you know what is this. Yes, it's a... Yes, it is a duck. Listen the sound of the duck. Listening and speaking vocabulary. So are you ready, kids? Okay, let's get started. What is it? It is a duck. It is a duck. And now, let's spell the duck. D-U-C-K. Say duck. Very good. What is it? It is a cow. It is a cow. Very good. Let's spell it. C-O-W. Cow. Say cow. Very good. What is it? It is a horse. It is a horse. Very good. Now, let's spell it. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Say it one more time. Horse. What is it? It is a goat. It is a goat. Very good. Now, let's spell it. G-O-A-T. Goat. Say it one more time. Goat. Very good. What is it? It is a pig. It is a pig. Very good. Let's spell the pig. P-I-G. Say pig. Very good. That's excellent, kids. Great job. You did a great job today, kids. So tomorrow, we are going to learn the new lesson. Okay? Can you please put your hands together and say, thank you, Teacher Divine. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance.